Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how to do ad placements on a website. So let me first show you guys the exact steps I'm going to cover on this video. Step 1, how to create ad units in Google Adsense. Step 2, I'm going to cover on what are the placements can give you highest earning in both mobile and on desktop. Step 3, I'm going to show you guys how to place ads on your website using Ad Inserter. Step 4, I'm going to show you guys how to increase the CTR on Google Adsense. Step 5, I'm going to show you guys my top performing themes that can get you high CTR on Google Adsense. So before we dive in, if you're someone who's totally new to this channel and never been to this channel before, make sure you leave a like and a comment on this video because I will be answering all your questions. And do subscribe to my channel guys, because this is a channel where we talk about how to make money online with Google Adsense, YouTube channels and affiliate marketing. So let's dive in. And let me show you guys how to create the ad units on Google Adsense. So for example purpose, I'm going to use this Google Adsense account to create the ad units. So what you need to do is on the left side, you can see an option called ads. Just click on that and there'll be an option called overview. Just click that and it will take you to this section. So this is where we're going to create our first ad unit. So what you need to do is you need to click on ad units and it's going to take you to this section. So we're only going to do display ads because display ads perform better compared to other ad units like in-feed or in-article ads. So let's click on display ads. And we're going to name the ad units. So let me type first ad unit. So what you need to do is just give responsive. So we're not going to do fixed because when you do fixed, you will be getting this warning. Fixed size ad units may limit the number of ads available. So which means it might reduce the amount of ads can served on your website. So we don't want that. Just stick with responsive because responsive will get you a lot of CTR and a lot of CPC on Google Adsense. Just click on create. So it's going to take us to this code section. Just copy this code. So this is how we're going to create ad units on Google Adsense. So step 2, let's talk about the best ad placements on mobile and on desktop. So let me show you guys some example websites. So you can see here, so we're going to use this website for example purpose. Don't copy this format. Let me give you guys the better format. So you can see here they have a responsive ad unit below the title. So like this. So this is going to be your first ad unit you're going to use, which is Adsense responsive. So it need to be responsive. Don't do any fixed size. So this is the first ad unit. So let me show you guys the second ad unit. We don't have to have any ad units below the image. So this side use them. I don't do that. So don't have any text ad units or else don't have any ad units below the title. We have an ad unit above the fold below the title. So this is above the fold. So mostly 80% of the time this ad unit is going to get you a lot of revenue because this is the first ad unit. Mostly on mobile, people will click on this ad unit compared to other ad units. But still, we need to increase the CTR by placing other ad units. So let me explain. So also create one more responsive ad unit on Google Adsense and place it right at this position, guys. So you can see here. So we're going to do the same exact thing. Like we're going to have one more ad unit at the end of the article like this. So once it's done, what we're going to do is we're going to have one more banner ad. So you can see a vertical banner ad right at this position below the widget. So this is sidebar widget. You can see here. So it's just recommending the next article. So we're going to have a ad unit below the sidebar widget right at this position. So we're not going to use this particular size. We're going to use a different size. Let me show you guys how to create that. Just go to your ad unit section on Google Adsense and click on display ads. Adsense will give you 3 options, square, horizontal and vertical. So we're going to use vertical and we're going to create the same exact size. So what you need to do is just click on responsive and give it a name. So this is going to be our third ad unit because we already created one more ad unit for the end of the article. So this is going to be our third ad unit. So just type third and click on create and it's going to give you the code. So this is the exact code we're going to use at this position to create a banner ad. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Just leave a like on this video guys because it will really help me grow on YouTube. So let's go back to the video. So these are the exact ad placements we use on the mobile to increase the CTR on our Google Adsense. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I'll be also sharing some tips and tricks I use on my website to increase the CTR. Let me show you guys some best ad placements we do on websites to increase the earning from desktop visitors. So you can see here, so these are the exact ad placements I do on desktop visitors. So what you're going to do is you need to create a responsive ad unit, horizontal responsive ad unit to place it right below the title. So this website have it above the title. So what we're going to do is we're going to have one below the title. So let me go back to the Adsense. So you can see here. So what you need to do is you need to click on display ads, and you need to click on you need to type fourth. So this is going to be our fourth ad unit on desktop. So what you need to do is you need to click on horizontal and click on responsive and click on create. So this is the exact way to create horizontal responsive ad unit, and we don't need to have any fixed ad units. We're just going to go with responsive. So once you have that ad unit, if you place a responsive ad unit, this is how it's going to look on your website. So you can see here, right, this is responsive. So we're going to have one ad unit below the title. So don't worry, I'll show you guys how to insert this by using ad inserter. So once it's done, what we're going to do is we're also going to have one more responsive ad unit at the end of the article. So here you can see here, so this is the end of the article, and we're going to have this ad unit to increase the ad revenue on Google Adsense. So let me show you guys how to insert this ads on website by using ad inserter. So let me go to this website. So you can see here, so what you need to do is just go to plugin section, and you need to install a new plugin. You need to click on add new and just search for ad inserter, and so let me search for ad inserter. So you can see here, so this is the exact plugin we need. So once it's installed, what you need to do is you need to click on activate. So you can see here, I'm just updating the plugin. So it will show as install now like this. So just click on install now and you need to activate it. So once it's done, what you need to do is just go to settings, and there is an option called ad inserter. Just click that. So it's going to take you to this dashboard. So this is where we're going to add our ad inserter ad codes. So don't worry about this because I already have some ad inserted on my website. That's why it's showing some codes here. So it will be showing like this. It will be empty on your side if you're someone who's going to use ad inserter for the first time. So this is how it's going to look like. So what you need to do is go back to your AdSense account and click on create and get the code. So this is the code we're going to use on our websites to place the ad. So first, let me show you guys how to place this ad unit below the title. So what you need to do is go back to your website, just paste the ad code you copied from Google AdSense. So this is the ad code we're going to use. So what we need to do is you need to click on post. We just want them to appear on the post. So that's why we're just going to click on post and just leave other boxes empty like this. It will say as insertion disabled. So what you're going to do is just click on this and click on before post. So you can see here. So this is the first ad we're going to place on our website. Let me also show you guys some cool trick on how to look at this positions. So you need to click on visit site, and it's going to take you to this section. So let's say you're going to place ads on this particular article. So you need to click on ad inserter. So it automatically pops up some positions like this. So you can see here, it's before content, before paragraph. So we're going to have a first ad unit below the title. So this is before content. So let me go back here. So what you need to do is you need to click on before content. So we're going to have our first ad unit right at this position. So this one is done. So once it's done, we're going to create our second ad unit where we're going to place that ad right at this position after the article. So this is going to be our second ad. So what you need to do is just go back to the AdSense account and get the second ad code, and we're going to have the ad placed at right in this position. So you can see here, it automatically shows us what the name of the position is after content. So what you need to do is just go back to the ad inserter, paste the ad code, and what you need to do is just click post, because we just want this ad to be inserted on the post. We don't want this ad to be inserted on any other section on the website. So just click on post and click on after content. So you can see here, so after content, so it automatically places the ad right at this position. So once it's done, you can now what you need to do is you need to click on you don't have to click on any of these things, just uncheck this. So we just need add content and alignment as default. Just click on save settings, so it automatically inserts the ad right at this position. So once it's done, what we're going to do is we're going to have one more side ad unit sidebar like this one. You can see here, it's just an affiliate marketing ad code I had at this position. So we're not going to have this, we're just going to have a AdSense ad code. So what you need to do is you just go back to AdSense and create a display ad unit and create a vertical. I already showed you guys how to do this. And once you have the code, go back to the AdSense. So what you need to do is you need to click on customization, because it's not possible to insert right at this position without a widget. So what you need to do is you need to add a widget. So just click on widgets and it's going to take you to this section. So we want a widget right at the sidebar. So just click on sidebar So you can see here I already have a widget ad inserter. So I just have this widget from for affiliate marketing. If you guys want to place the ad code from Google AdSense, what you need to do is you need to click on add widget, and it's going to show us ad inserter. So it's automatically places the ad widget here. So once you've done that, what you need to do is you need to click on this blocks. So we're going to have block number 3 because that's where we placed our ad code, right? So this is where we're going to place our ad code. So let me paste the ad code here. So you can see here, so this is going to be our third ad code, this one, which is a vertical banner. And once you have that, just paste it on the block 3 and just create a widget and change this to block 3, and that's it. Just click on publish. It automatically publishes a widget right at this position. So it's going to be your vertical ad unit. So we want this ad unit to show on both mobile and on desktop. So what you need to do is go back to ad inserter. So you can see here, so it shows as what you need to do is you need to click on devices. So you can see here, so this option, what you need to do is you need to check on desktop and on mobile. So desktop on phone, you can see here, so use client side detection to show only on desktop on phone. So also check this one. So it only shows on desktop on phone, it won't show on tablet. So if you also want this ad unit to show on tablet, just click on this, but I don't do that because this ad units perform well on desktop and on mobile. That's the reason. So once it's done, what you need to do is we're going to have other ad units. We need to place that for desktop traffic visitors. So we're going to have a particular ad unit right at this position below the title. So just go back to your AdSense account, and what you need to do is you need to create that ad unit. So it's going to be horizontal, and we're going to create it as responsive, and click on create, and it's going to you need to give the name. So it's going to be a fourth ad unit. So just click fourth and just click on create. So you can see here, so this is the ad unit we're going to have below the title on desktop only. So what you need to do is first you need to go back to the ad inserter, just paste the ad code. So I also forgot to mention this because all these ad units only need to be shown on mobile. So not the third one, the first and second. So what you need to do is you just click on first ad unit and click on devices and use client side deduction. Click on that, and you need to remove the desktop because this ad unit only need to be shown on desktop. Sorry, only need to be shown on phone. So you can see here, so just click on phone and click on save settings. So once you've done that, so this ad unit only shows up on mobile and it won't show up on other platforms. So just do the same thing to the ad unit 2. Just click on device, use settings, and just click on mobile. So that's it with mobile ad placements. Let me go back to the desktop traffic. So with fourth ad unit, so what you need to do is just remove this widget and change this as before content. So not before content, let me see that. Yeah, it's before content. So click on before content and place that fourth ad unit here, and we're going to change the devices to just desktop. Always make sure you're selecting this because then it won't insert the ads in the right places. Always make sure you select these options. So once it's done, just click on save settings. So it automatically pushes the ad right at this position for desktop only. So once it's done, we're going to create one more ad unit to place after the content. So just go back to the AdSense account and create the same ad unit. Just name it as fifth and go back to the ad inserter. Just go to the next slide, paste it here, and same thing you need to do. Just click on post, and what you need to do is you need to click on after content, and devices is going to be desktop only, and click on save. That's it, guys. So that's how we're going to place our ad units on our website. In step 4, let me explain how to increase the CTR on your Google AdSense account. So what you need to do is you need to split your articles into multiple pages. So you can see here, so this article is you can see anti-aging foods. So what this website does is it automatically splits the article into 7 slides. You can see here, so if someone clicks it, it's going to take them to the next topic. You can see here, tomatoes. So if someone clicks this, it's going to take them to the next topic. So every time a visitor clicks, there's an opportunity for you to get a click on Google AdSense. So this is how we're going to increase the CTR on Google AdSense. So the more time visitor spends on your website, the more CTR you're going to get on your Google AdSense account. So we really want that. So what you need to do is you need to get this plugin So let me show you guys the plugin. So you can see here. So this is the exact plugin we need to increase the CTR on our Google AdSense account. So once you have that plugin, just install it to your WordPress, and what you need to do is, so let's say we're going to split this article into 2 pages. So what you need to do is just click on this empty portion and click on Alt Shift and P. So you can see here it automatically places page break right at this portion. So what you can do is, if the article is very hard, like if it has more than 1000 words, you can split it into like 5 to 6 pages. So just copy this and place it right at this portion if you want. Like you can see here, I can place one more page break. So every time I place a page break, it's going to split into pages, and so it will automatically show like this. So like you can see here, so make sure you install this plugins, then only it will work like this. So that's it guys. So this is how we're going to increase your CTR on your website. So step 5, let me show you guys some themes which can increase your Google AdSense CTR. So you can see here, so sparkling, this theme can really increase your CTR because of the layout is very good on this theme. You can use this theme. Or else if you guys are interested in getting some paid themes, so newspaper is very good theme because I use this theme on all my websites. So you can see here, it's just going to cost you like $60 to get this, but this theme can really work very well. So let me also show you guys some more themes like social viral. So this is the exact theme this website uses. So if you guys are interested, you can also use this theme. So I also use this theme on some of my websites and they perform well with Google AdSense. That's the reason you can also use this one. So these are the exact 5 steps we use on all our websites to increase the CTR and increase the earnings on our Google AdSense account. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. I will be answering them. And if you're someone who's totally new, make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you turn on that bell notification, because every time I publish a new video, you will get a notification. So pretty much that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video and see you guys in the next